Hey you guys, what is up? Hey girl, hey, it's your girl Tash. Welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, y'all already know, you can see the orange, baby. We're gonna be doing another Louis Vuitton unboxing, and this video is in partnership with Tipstar. So grab yourself a drink and a snack, and let's go ahead and get into my two goodies. So first thing is first, I am going to slide the big boy to the side, and we're going to start out with the little guy here. I do want to shout out and thank you to Tipstar again for partnering with me on today's video and sending me so many beautiful goodies to share with you guys. I absolutely love them. So in this box here, there is another Louis Vuitton wallet, and we're going to go ahead and pull her out. She does come in a little dust bag. I love the quality of their dust bags. They're so nice. The packaging, beautiful. As you guys can see over here, I do love to decorate with mine, and I've got like my little Louis wall started over here. So it does also come with the care instruction booklet. It tells you how to care for your Louis Vuitton wallet, and then it also has some other things that you would get if you purchased a real Louis Vuitton. Just a small disclaimer if you're new here, these are mirror grade replicas to look identical to the actual luxury product itself. It has all of the markings, the stitching is on point, and they use real leather. So if you don't want to spend $3,000 on a bag or $500 on a wallet, girl, you don't have to. Let me show you the ways. Okay, so when you first get your wallet, it is going to be packaged in this little guy right here, just to kind of help protect it a little bit more. It's got the Louis Vuitton logo sticker right here, and then you would just open it up. So this is the Louis Vuitton Victorine wallet, and it does have the Louis Vuitton monogram. So this one is in black. I absolutely love this. This is actually my second wallet like this. I do have the regular brown monogram, but then I also have another black wallet like this. If you have not seen it yet, or I haven't posted it yet, there will be a what's in my purse video coming up from another company with another bag and another wallet just like this. So when you get your wallet, it's going to have little stickies on your hardware just to keep it protected from scratches and all of that jazz. So you're just going to pull it off. And right here on your logo, you're going to see the Louis Vuitton go all the way around, along with that logo there on the actual wallet itself. When you open it up, you're going to have your wallet stuffed with stuff, as well as your card holders here. And then on the inside here is where you would put your cash. And then you've also got some little pockets in here and on the other side here, to just put other stuff if you want to. You've got a little zippered compartment here. These zippers are phenomenal on this stuff. So usually there's stuff in here, just paperwork and whatnot, and little pieces of paper. So in here you're getting plenty of room to keep your change. And when I say these zippers are phenomenal, you guys, if you've ever purchased a cheap replica, and when I say cheap, I mean like the $25 ones, girlfriend, you don't get good zippers with those. You'll get your item, the zipper part will be closed, and the zipper is stuck in the middle. So don't ever buy those. If you want high quality ones, stick with me, you guys. I've been coming across some great purses. Right here, it does have your Louis Vuitton logo and info right there, just like the real ones. And so I'm gonna wrap this little guy back up, clasp, show you guys the back, and we are gonna get into unboxing the Louis Vuitton Speedy 22 that I got to go with this. So here it is. These bags come in the Louis Vuitton boxes like this. They don't come with the ribbon out. I actually pop the tabs that are in here out, and I pull the string through just because it's a lot easier for me to carry the bags back to my studio. Okay, enough talking, Tosh, get into the bag. Okay, so your bag is gonna come like this. So I'm just going to go through all of the like smaller stuff that you'll get with your bag. The wallet came with this guy right here, as well as one of these mesh little gift bags like this, and it does have all of the ribbon, your receipt, your paperwork for your bag in there, so you can just toss that to the side. But if you're going to use this for gift giving, that's why it's nice to have the bag that goes along with it. So here's the wallet bag, perfect size, and then the mesh bag that came in here actually has the receipt. And for those of you that are new to my unboxing videos, I just want to share with you, you do get the Louis Vuitton envelope, and then this is supposed to be like the actual receipt that you would get from Louis Vuitton if you purchased it from Louis itself. All right. And so I just generally tend to keep all of that paperwork right in here. And then they also send over a register receipt. This one does not look the greatest. First time that's ever happened, but you'll generally get a register receipt. It's not important to me since I'm the one unboxing it. You know what I mean? I don't need it. And then in here, you also get the ribbon. Like if you want to wrap the actual gift item itself up, you're getting Louis Vuitton ribbon, just like that. You're also going to get care booklets, and then another Louis Vuitton card. Again, it just tells you how to care for your item. All right, you guys, moving on to the bag. You're also going to get another Louis Vuitton bag. Ooh, a tall one. Usually I get the wider ones with these, so kind of excited to have this different bag. The letters are raised on these. They're great quality bags. The reason mine has like bends and stuff in it is because I just kind of shoved it in the box. I was just really excited. So anyways, you're also going to get the same kind of pouch with a receipt, the ribbon, your care booklet, care card, with the bag as you do your wallet, and it comes with all the pieces. So your bag is going to come in a very heavy duty thick plastic like this, just to protect, and it does come with a dust bag, of course. And so this is this little guy's dust bag. This is the Speedy 22. I'm going to put the wording up here because I'm not French. I can't pronounce it. The dust bag's very, very, very high quality. And then I'm going to just tell you guys, the handles will come wrapped. I took all of that stuff off just to make the video a little bit quicker for you guys. So here is the Speedy 22. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous bag. And it just has that black monogram on it, like I was telling you. Then you've got a little bit on the sides. The larger Speedy, which I'll show you in another video, does not have this on the sides. It's a little bit different, but again, you guys will see that in another video. You will have wrapping on your hardware. The hardware on these bags, you guys, is great quality. It has all of the markings that you would get on a real bag. Sorry, you guys, I'm trying. There we go. You get your little Louis Vuitton logo. And the hardware is nice and heavy on these bags as well. So, again, with the zippers, they're very, very, very nice and high quality. That one just got stuck because my goofy self got it stuck in that. As you can see, I kind of ripped it. Your bags are going to come stuffed in order to keep them, you know, the right shape, if you will. This stuff is so heavy. When Nick held this in his hand, he was like, wow. I'm telling you guys, he's really impressed by this company as well. And he's a guy, so, you know, but the guy knows his leather. So this is what this guy looks like. It does have a little tiny pocket here, and it is stamped with Louis Vuitton. And it smells amazing. There is tons of room in this little Speedy. If you guys want to see me do like a what's in my bag on this bag when I do get a chance to use it, just like the video. Like the video. So, it does come with a chain. It's gold in color, and it does have, excuse me you guys, the Louis Vuitton writing right here. This chain is very, and I mean very heavy duty. So I'm going to go ahead and put it onto the bag, and then I'm going to show you guys the other strap that comes with this bag. So you could rock your bag like this with the chain down just for a little bit of bling bling. I mean, look how that beautiful chain sparkles. It's so gorgeous. Or you could rock it like this without the chain, whatever you prefer. Then it also comes with this guy right here, which says Louis Vuitton. And that's what it looks like. It's got the beautiful heavy gold hardware with the Louis Vuitton writing right here. And it just clips on the bag right here as well. What I love about this one is it's got that wider kind of, you know, strap to it. And it is also very much adjustable. I like to wear my bags crossbody most of the time, especially when I'm in public, because you never know who's watching you. And I'm just so, like, I've had my purse stolen before. So when I'm in public, boo-boo's going crossbody. So let me stand up real quick, show you guys what the bag looks like, and show you what it looks like on me crossbody. All right, friends, so this is what it looks like with both straps on it. You've got the beautiful evening strap. So if you just wanted to wear that on your shoulder with the bag. Now, I am 5'4", and I am a plus size girl if you're new here. So that's what it would look like with just the chain strap. Still super cute. And here's what it would look like if you just carried it with both straps like so. Then if you wanted to do crossbody with this wider one here, I think I have it all. Nope, wait a minute. Okay. So here's what that would look like crossbody. Love it. Love it. Very nice. It's so tiny compared to my other one. I also have the Speedy 25. And this one is just so cute. So I think I'm probably going to rock it with this on most of the time. But I love that you have 3 options with this bag. So very, very nice. And coming forward to show you guys a little bit more. First of all, I love how well they do the handles. The hardware. This chain actually makes this bag kind of pretty heavy. It's very, very great quality. Their stitching is always on point. And generally, guys, when you order, your bag is going to come straight from the factory. Usually, no human hands have touched your bag. They wear gloves and things like that when they handle your stuff. And so your human bare hands are the first ones to touch your bags. Which I think is awesome because not all of these guys out here do that. And it just makes the experience and the whole aesthetic that much more pleasing to me. Now this one does not come with the lock and key like you'll see the Speedy 25. But I mean, you could always purchase a lock and key if you wanted to. Great little bag though. I'm sure I'm going to be able to fit plenty of stuff in here. And I'm just really happy with the quality of both pieces. And I mean, how cute. How cute. If you purchase this from the Louis Vuitton website, I'm going to give you guys a total and put it here on the screen. That is what you would pay for both of these. That's insane. So definitely, definitely, if you're wanting a new purse and a matching wallet, definitely check out the link below. And you can use my discount code also to save you some money off. So you're going to be spending a lot less. And unless you tell your friends, they're never going to know. Even the ones that carry Louis Vuitton are going to be fooled because I've had real Louis Vuitton and I'm fooled. I want to shout out and thank you to Tipstar again for partnering with me on today's video. You guys are fabulous and I love your bags and wallets. I want to thank all of you for taking time out of your busy days to come hang out with me. To my ride or dies, hey girl, hey! I want to know how much you guys are liking the unboxing videos. I think they're so much fun. I love sharing new fashion with you guys. And I would love to hear from those of you who have purchased bags on how you're liking your bag or the jewelry or whatever you've purchased. If you guys are wanting to see the what's in my bag video, please thumbs up this video. It's also going to let me know that you're enjoying these kind of videos as well as YouTube, and that way you will start to see my videos and more videos like this in your newsfeed. You guys take care, have an amazing day, and stay safe out there. I love you guys. Bye. Say bye-bye.